Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Lil Dill, the accompaniment little dog that goes along with Big Dill. It's a really cool little pickle dog version of the skin. I think it'll be quite fun to draw, so let's get in there. I'm going to draw the middle of the head first of all, sort of between the ears. Let's go around here. Just draw a nice little curve like that. Next up, let's look at those little pickle ears. I've got one going up this way, kind of goes up here, pops out this side. So let's go and curve it up to about here. I guess on the other side, it will probably pop up from about here. It's got two nice little curvy lines going on. It'll be nice and loose for this picture. Then we're going to go draw up here, sort of widen up the top, back in, so it's really like pickle-like. So let's go around here, nice and curvy, up to the top round here. Curve it in, back around like that, and let's just try and join it up. Cool, okay, we've got one ear on. The ear on this side will go up here and then sort of fold over around this way. So I guess we're going to just draw up from around here, just draw a nice little line up here. I guess on the other side it's probably going to go up about there. Then we're going to pop it around, just a nice little curve. Goes all the way around like this and then kick it in on itself there. So we've got a nice little look of 3D along there. Cool, okay. Let's continue with the head. So we can do the back of the head here, goes down to the chain area about there. So I'm just gonna go draw out from here. Nice little curve, popping down there, around to about here. And on this side, I'm gonna draw from here, I'm gonna draw a curve down here where the nose will come out. It just curves down this way here. So just get the pen, curve down like that, right? Okay, next up, let's just draw that little nose in. So I'm gonna go probably from about here. I'm gonna come out this way, then curve it around here. And come up from about here, about there. Bring it out, hit that line we just drawn, and we'll draw a nice wide curve to around here. What we'll do, continue this line going over to about here. Really long, wide line. This is the little smile on Lil Dill's face. So from about here, continue along, curve it up like that. So we've got a nice little smile going on. I'm going to come back around this way, around to about here. I'm going to leave a little space for his tongue. So let's just kick it back down here. Nice. Curve down here and up, and yeah, leave a little bit of a space there. What we can draw now is just a little loop where his tongue goes, so it kind of comes out from here. Curve it out there, around this way, flops down here. Come back on yourself and curve into the face there. Draw a little curve in the tongue there, make it a little more tongue-like. And then all I need to do is really just draw a little curve here, just to have it sort of tapering in. That's cool. Right, okay. What we need to do now is start looking at this chain area around the neck of the dog. So first of all, we've got this like D for Dill little emblem going on. So let's get that sorted out. So come down about here. Let's draw ourselves two little lines there. Then I'm going to come in, I'm going to go line, 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 line like that. Just going to join it up there. Then I'm going to draw a nice curve coming out here, a bit like D going on, right? So come out here, curve it around like that and in there. Then I'm going to come down, I'm going to come down this way, one bit here, one, a bit come out there, just making up those lines. Like in the middle here, there's a little rectangular bit. And then we've got another little bit, we've just got to draw a little D here. Okay. And then it just pops out either side, so it comes out like that, join up, come back up here, leave a gap, come out, top and bottom there, join up like that. We've got that cool little emblem. Now what we can do is start drawing the little chain. And all I need to do is just give a hint that the chain's going up this way. Nice little curved effects, or just curve it up and down. Around like that, work it up to the tongue. And then from here, just little bouncy little moves with a pen. Bounce, 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 all the way up to the tongue there. There's two little chains, so I'm just gonna give a little hint in the middle there. So there's two. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side. I'm gonna sort of draw out from about here, just sort of bounce it around so it looks like a necklace. Bounce it around, curve it around a little bit so it goes up to this neck. We're gonna hit this point up here. Here we go. Another little line here, just bounce it around on the chain, just on the underside of it. Bounce, 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 bounce. Kind of meets up with the chain in the middle, so we just have to kind of just let it taper out a bit. Then we can draw the first line coming in here, so they've just got those little bounces of the chain underneath. Bounce it around there. And then finally we've got the long bit that goes all the way back to here. So we're just gonna, again, just bounce it, nice chunky chain. Bring it around, it's a nice little bit of texture on the pickle dog. Bring him around like that. Cool. All we need to do now, get that in, is just a few little diagonal lines in. Just along the chain, just give a hint that it's a chain element. Same here, just a few little diagonals, not a lot. That's all we really need to do, just a nice little hint of that. And then we can go ahead and do the rest of the body. So first of all, got the leg popping down here. So I'm gonna come down from this D area, just gonna bring my pen down, curve it down to about here. The other side of it probably comes about here. I'm gonna curve it down here a bit further to that point. I'm just gonna draw a little curve around where his paws are. So I'm gonna bring my pen round, bosh, like that, nice and rounded. Now at the bottom here, it's got a little kind of bone emblem, which is in the shape of a bit of a pickle. So I'm just gonna draw a little curvy pickle in the middle there. Kind of goes underneath him here. You see a little bit of a string up here, so let's draw a little sort of prong string bit there. It goes around the back of the other side. Then I can draw just a little bit of belly. So I've got a bit of belly here, bit of belly of the dog there. Then I can draw the other leg. The other leg comes down here to about this point around there. And again, I'm just gonna scoot the pen down around there, probably from about here, a bit wider, taper in where the little ankles come out, about here. Then we can do a nice little curved, bulbous little foot there. Cool, okay. We're just gonna taper the body up around here, so it kind of goes up like that. And then I can kind of draw this leg coming down here, so gonna come down here to a bit of a knee point. Then I'm just gonna scoot it, curve it around there. And on the other side, I'm gonna sort of come up from around here, curve it in. I'm just gonna draw his like bulbous pickle foot. Nice little curve around like that. Just a little bit of a foot under here, so we're just gonna draw a little curve there for the foot. Then I'm gonna come upwards, we're gonna go up at the back of the dog, round here. There's a little bit of a hint of the sort of gold element around here, so I'm just gonna sort of draw just a little hint of that sort of patch at the back of the tail around there. Then I'm just gonna join them up like that. The tail sort of twists around a bit, so I'm just gonna draw a couple little lines from there, just let it sort of circle around a little bit like that, like a little pickle. And I'm gonna bring it up, spring it up like that, up to there. Okay, got those elements in. Let's get his eyes and nose in. So he's got really sort of circular, round eyes. Got one about this point here, so just gonna go in, draw a nice sort of rounded circle there. what I will do is just draw another one in it and then just fill around that circle so I've got the light shining off. On this side, you see a little bit of the eye around here, so I'm just going to draw a bit of a curve that goes around like that there. Again, just draw a little curve there and fill that in. Then we just got the tongue area, just going to fill that in, just ink it up. And once I've done that, and you're happy with those bits, what I might do is just go around the edges, just bump it out a bit. Just go around what we've done, sort of fill them out. Just make him pop a little bit. Maybe just around the edge of the tongue here. Around that nose area. On that head, and then just fill around those ears, so really sort of packing him out. Make him look more energetic, I think. Just get that little back bit there. Just a hint as it goes up here. Maybe just the edge of that tail. Yeah, that's cool. And what that lets us do, it sort of fills out our picture. And we can get a little bit of a finer pen and we can just draw a few of those little pickle looks. So remember when I was drawing Big Dill, there's a few little sort of pickly, little swizzle little bits, little curves, little wiggly lines, just all around him. Just gives him a bit of texture. We go all around these bits. Maybe this pickle sort of needs filling in a bit there. Just a few little hints. Maybe just come around the head, around here too. Just add those little pickly sort of vibes. Gives him a load of little character, like around his head. Makes him look really happy. Don't need loads of lines, but a few little pickly lines works really well. And then just one last thing, I'm gonna pop his nose in here. So we've got again a little circle. We're just gonna go around here. Draw a nice little circle element there. Another little curve in there, and we'll just fill that in around there. And there we go, there's Lil Dill, the little dog skin featured in Fortnite based on Big Dill. Let me know what you think of the skin. Let me know if I should draw some more of these cool characters, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.